Alright guys, good morning. So here's another day. We're heading out to the body shop to see how's the GTR doing. They cut off some of the panels out just to see how bad is the damage is. It looked very bad from last night, to be honest. It's not like just the external panel, it looks like the internal is damaged as well. So I'm gonna head out right now. We'll keep you updated. Of course, we're gonna have some videos and pictures. See you. Alright, so you guys just arrived here at the body shop where the GTR is. Let's see where we at with the project. I didn't hear good news at all, so I don't know what they need or what's going on. We'll find out here. I figured we're gonna have a lot of surprises. Oh well. Everything is fixable. So always gotta be plan B and C, right? Alright. Oh wow, looks like it's outside. Man, like you look at it from here, looks like it's ready. And it's ready, like, it's ready to be picked up. Like literally. Get the key and drive. I'm surprised what it is outside. It's just inside yesterday. Oh wow. Damn. They cut even further inside. Man. See, what I like is no airbag damage, no major frame damage. Like you look at the frame rails, they're right here. Like it's just needs to be pulled a little bit. Here's just bent down. It's not like other cars, but where like they get an airbag damage and just get destroyed. But this one, it's not. I mean, the guy who hit this was like driving an old, super old, rusted pickup truck, and that's what caused all this to this car. Like that's so sad. Yeah, it looks like we got problems a lot. To me, I don't know. As I said, I'm new to all this. Oh wow, it looks like the suspension is broken right here. If you guys see that. Damn. Like I wish if the hit got here where the reinforcement bar, it would have absorbed all this. But for some reason, like the truck went on top of the car. Probably was lifted or something. Okay, that's what they're talking about. Looks like the inner core panel is all messed up. It's not like just the external, just the shell that we can buy and replace. Like we have to buy the inner core panels. And again, I've seen many YouTube videos or many many collision shops. They rebuilt the inner panel, which I don't want that. I don't like that. There's no way whoever rebuilt an inner structural of whatever panel, it can't be perfect, and I don't like that. I mean, when you get a job, you either get it done right or don't even do it. And I know everything's fixable, everything's gonna cost a lot of money, but to me, I just feel better having everything new and rebuilt like the right way. Like I think I'm gonna have to go to Nissan and get their specs on the structural panel right here, like the inside of it, because that's the shell right here. I was thinking just that, but man, again, I don't know. I have no experience with that. This is my first time. Yeah, that's the inner panel. So we'll go inside and find out what's going on, and I think that's what they meant by we having an issue. I think that's what they mean by we having an issue. Man, can't wait to have it ready and going. What's up? How's it going? Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah? With the GTR?
Oh, I didn't even recognize you because you got your hat on.
I got my hat on, I got my mask on, you know, I just got COVID, so.
What, you got a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, we're gonna do that now. This is the guy, certified Nissan. He just doesn't have his shirt on. You will see his shirt, right?
Or I'll wear it that day.
Oh, you wear it that day, definitely. All right, guys, we're inside the body shop here. Looking for the main guy. There you go. Avi, he's the boss man. All right, so that's where we're gonna have the. All right, so that's where we're gonna have the GTR work hire at this shop, and we're gonna have it painted here at this paint booth. They do amazing work, man. Like, they do amazing work. Like, everything. It's pretty cool. And what I really like about this shop, like I brought it here, because they have everything. Like frame racks, 2 of them, 3 lifts, 1 paint booth, and a mechanic shop in there as well. Like everything. It's all in one spot. Like this is so handy. I don't need to take it from place to place. I don't need to move around. As you see, like here's their frame machine right there. So yeah, just they have a lot of stuff. Oh my god, here's the GTR parts. And they took it out of the parts. Have it on the whole truck. We're gonna need a tail light, bumper for sure. Thanks God that carbon fiber wing looks good. Spoiler. We're gonna need a trunk for sure. Man. I think that's the structural. No, that's the outside. Yep, those are the inner panels that they cut. Those are the inner panels. Those are the ones that we need. Man. Now after that, all I need just luck. Gotta get to, I'll head to Nissan dealership after that and go ahead and check on the panels. As I said, everything is doable, everything is possible, but if it's good financially. Like everything is replaceable and fixable to me. Beside your health, obviously. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so we're here at Nissan. Trying to get the parts that we might need. Checking out what we need for the car. Man, that shot scared the hell out of me. It's crazy. Alright, we're here at Nissan. Alright, we'll see what they say. Alright, so got some parts here. Actually just came back from Nissan. Got the rear bumper right here. And we got a trunk shell that we needed, where we're gonna put the trunk on and make sure everything will line up perfectly. And then we'll go inside for some quick update and see where they are with the process.